This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your document and focusing on a single paragraph. Do not try to fix everything at once. First, read aloud to catch missing verbs and awkward phrasing. This reveals errors faster. Once done, enable grammar and spell check so suggestions appear as you move. Make sure to flag unclear pronouns and passive voice for later revision, and correct obvious punctuation mistakes now so subsequent passes are cleaner and faster. You now work sentence by sentence, fixing agreement and tense first because consistency prevents cascading errors. When a sentence drags, split it into two or use a semicolon. This improves readability immediately. Once you convert passive constructions to active voice, the meaning becomes clearer. Check pronoun references after that to avoid ambiguity. As you edit, pause and reread each sentence aloud so rhythm and logic guide your choices, making each revision purposeful. You finish by reading the text aloud one last time. This catches small omissions and awkward cadence. After that, use a short checklist: agreement, punctuation, clarity, concision, and address any remaining notes. If a specific sentence still sounds wrong, stop trying minor fixes and rewrite it from scratch. This often resolves hidden structure issues. Finally, if automated grammar tools conflict, trust meaning and clarity, not a single suggestion, and make sure your final read feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.